What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix camera crashing in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on force stop. Now again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update. Click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.